After months of silence, former Representative Zaldico denies allegations regarding corruption and flood control issues thrown against him. Co is not trying to escape from the investigation, this according to his lawyer, clarifying death threats as the main reason why he's afraid of going back to the Philippines. Let's hear more about Co in this Luisa Erispe report.
So hindi siya tumakbo. Let's get that clear.
This was the answer given by the camp of former Representative Zaldico on allegations that he fled out the country to run away from the investigation on the anomalous flood control projects. According to his legal counsel, Attorney Roy Rondain, Co did not purposely leave the country for the investigation. It was simply due to medical reasons.
Hannah remembered that he flew out for medical reasons way before this whole thing blew up. Diba? When did this blow up? After the sauna. He flew out as early as February, I think.
As of now, Co is refusing to go back to the country, allegedly due to several death threats he is receiving, especially from social media. His camp also believes he cannot be protected well enough by the government.
He has a general fear of being shot, whether by a vigilante or by a political enemy. He doesn't know. The government cannot protect you all the time. Diba? Walang guarantee na ganyan. People die in jail. Diba? People with a shot in the head, and you have heads of state surrounded by 20 armed men who still downed by a sniper.
The last known location of Zaldico is in Boston, Massachusetts. According to his counsel, he has no knowledge whether the former Solon has actually left the United States or not. If there are no more threats, he clarified the former lawmaker is willing to face the allegations on a proper forum. But for now, they will not be filing counter affidavits before the Ombudsman, and they will not answer the subpoena from the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI. They will wait for a formal complaint to be filed for them to submit their affidavit. He also believes the case has already been prejudged by the Ombudsman. Thus, they will wait for the case to be filed to be able to appropriate the answer.
The Ombudsman has already prejudged this case. And this is bolstered by the statements of Secretary Vince Dizon, who said 60 people will be in jail by Christmas. Under these circumstances, there's really no tactical benefit to filing a counter affidavit.
However, if Co will be invited to the Senate as a resource speaker for the Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, they are open to answer. But as early as now, they categorically deny that Co knows who Orly Guteza is. Guteza claimed during a Blue Ribbon hearing that he was a former aide of Co and that he delivered luggages of cash to his residence.
Now, if you're asking me whether or not there were deliveries to Representative Co at any time, no. Categorical. Na wag naman chismis, wag naman speculation, because hindi tatayo in a court of law.
His camp also insisted Co has already 4.1 billion net worth on 2019 based on his SALN. This was before he became a representative of the lower house. If ever there was growth on his net worth, they believe it is due to his businesses and not because of his position in government.
Remember that he was a businessman before he was in Congress. And kung tumaas man yan, nakareport yan sa SALN, I'm sure nakareport sa tax returns niya because of the business, not because of Congress.
They also denied that the salon owns any aircraft. His counsel said the 3 aircrafts that were believed to have left the country is actually owned by the Misibis Aviation. His counsel also insists Co doesn't have the power to make insertions to the national budget. The ghost flood control projects are allegedly included in the proposed National Expenditure Program submitted by the Department of Budget and Management or DBM. The DBM has answered these allegations by presenting facts. According to them, the DPWH should answer these allegations as it is the agency that requests funding for certain programs or projects to be included on the NEP. DBM's role is only to process these requests. On the part of the Ombudsman and ICI, they remain silent as of now on Co's camp, saying that the case is already prejudged and that he will not file his counter affidavit. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.